Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked through your change and thought, this euro could be worth something, you might be right. Today we're counting down the top 3 most valuable Nederland 20 euro cent coins that are selling for big money in today's coin market. Make sure you watch until the end because the number 1 coin on this list sold for a jaw-dropping amount that could literally change your life, so let's get it started. Top 1, the Netherlands 2004 20 euro cent coin, especially the rare version with no mint mark, found in extra fine condition. Many collectors overlook this coin, but you'll be surprised to know that this small golden piece can carry a big story and even a big value in today's market. So, let's dive into its history, background, and market price in dollars to understand the 2004 Netherlands 20 euro cent coin. We must first go back to the birth of the euro currency. The euro officially entered circulation on January 1, 2002, replacing the old Dutch guilder. But the design and minting preparations started earlier. Around 1999, when the first euro coins were struck, the Netherlands was among the first European Union countries to adopt the euro. The nation's coins were produced by the Royal Dutch Mint in Utrecht, a mint with over 450 years of history, dating back to 1567. Each coin, including the 20 euro cent, reflected Dutch pride and identity, combining tradition with modern European unity. The 2004 Netherlands 20 euro cent coin carries a beautiful and symbolic design. The obverse side features the portrait of Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands, who reigned from 1980 until her abdication in 2013. Surrounding her image are the words, Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden, which means, Beatrix, Queen of the Netherlands. The reverse side, designed by Belgian artist Luc Louix, is common across all euro countries. It shows the European continent connected together, symbolizing unity among the EU nations. This coin is made of a metal called Nordic gold, a mix of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, giving it that beautiful golden appearance. It weighs 5.74 grams, has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, and features a Spanish flower edge which is slightly scalloped, helping people distinguish it by touch. Now here's where things get really interesting. Normally, Netherlands euro coins have 2 marks, the mint mark and the mint master's mark. The mint mark is usually a Mercury staff symbol representing the Royal Dutch Mint. However, in some rare cases, coins were struck without a mint mark, either due to a minting error, die damage, or incomplete striking during production. These no mint mark versions are highly collectible because they represent minting anomalies, something that's not supposed to happen in official coinage. For 2004, such coins are quite rare. Finding one in extra fine condition means the details of Queen Beatrix's portrait are still sharp, and the coin retains most of its original luster. The 2004 20 euro cent coin is part of the second generation of Dutch euro coins, still bearing Queen Beatrix's image before King Willem-Alexander's portrait appeared in 2014. Coins without the mint mark from this year are seldom found in circulation and are often discovered accidentally by collectors checking their spare change or coin rolls. Because of this rarity, especially in well-preserved condition, collectors across Europe and even from the United States are actively seeking these coins for their euro collection sets. The rarity increases if the coin shows sharp edges, full details, and no heavy scratches. Market value in today's coin market. Let's talk about what everyone wants to know: the market value of this coin today. The face value of the Netherlands 20 euro cent coin is, of course, 20 cents, about $0 and 21 cents. But if your coin has no mint mark and is in extra fine condition, its collector value can be many times higher. Here's the current estimated value range: circulated condition around 20 cents to $1, extra fine condition no mint mark between $8 to $25, uncirculated or graded examples up to $40 to $60, especially if verified as a genuine minting error in some private collector auctions and online listings. Rare verified examples have reached $75 or even $100, depending on demand and certification. So why does this small 20-cent coin attract collectors worldwide? The answer lies in 3 factors. It's from the early euro years when the Netherlands was changing currency systems. The missing mint mark makes it a rarity, standing out from millions of regular coins. Coins in extra fine or uncirculated states are far fewer, increasing their premium. Add these together and you've got a coin that's far more than just 20 cents. It's a collectible piece of European history if you're lucky enough to own a Netherlands 2004 20 euro cent coin. Here are a few quick tips to protect and enhance its value. Never clean your coin. Cleaning can damage the surface and reduce value. Store it in a protective coin capsule or holder to prevent scratches. Use a magnifier to inspect for missing mint marks or details. Check online catalogs like Numista or Coin Archives to compare varieties. Get professional grading from NGC or PCGS. If it's in very high quality, this can multiply the coin's resale price. So there you have it, the Netherlands 2004 20 euro cent coin. A small golden piece that tells a big story about Europe's history, minting craftsmanship, and rare errors. A simple coin worth 20 euro cents could, with the right characteristics, be worth $20, $50, or even $100 today in the collector's market if you have one check carefully for that missing mint mark. You might just be holding a rare treasure in your hand. Top 2. The Netherlands 2001 20 euro cent coin, especially the rare version without a mint mark found in extra fine condition. You might think it's just an ordinary euro coin, but what if I told you this tiny piece of metal could be worth many times its face value? Let's explore the history, design, rarity, and the true market value in dollars of this fascinating coin. To understand the Netherlands 2001 20 euro cent coin, we need to go back to the late 1990s, a time of big change for Europe. The euro currency was officially introduced on January 1, 1999, but only for electronic and banking transactions. Physical euro coins and banknotes didn't enter circulation until January 1, 2002. However, coins dated 1999, 2000, and 2001 were already being minted in preparation for the grand currency switch. The Netherlands, as a founding member of the European Union, played a major role in this transition. Their coins were produced by the Royal Dutch Mint in Utrecht, one of the oldest and most respected mints in Europe, operating since 1567. So the 2001 coin represents the final stage before the euro officially went into the hands of the people. A key piece of monetary history. The design of the Netherlands 20 euro cent coin is both regal and modern. On the obverse side, you'll find the elegant portrait of Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands, who reigned from 1980 to 2013. Around her image you'll see the inscription Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden, meaning Beatrix Queen of the Netherlands. The reverse side, designed by Luc Luyx from Belgium, shows the map of Europe symbolizing unity, with 12 stars representing the founding members of the European Union. This coin is made of Nordic gold, a durable and shiny alloy composed of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, giving it a rich golden color. Its diameter is 22.25 millimeters, it weighs 5.74 grams, and it has a Spanish flower edge, giving it a slightly scalloped shape that makes it easy to identify by touch. Now, here's where things get interesting. Normally, every coin struck at the Royal Dutch Mint carries a mint mark, the Mercury staff symbol, representing the mint itself, and a mint master's mark, identifying the mint director. However, a small number of 20 euro cent coins from 2001 were struck without a mint mark. This could have happened for several reasons. The die may have worn down or been replaced incorrectly, a misalignment during minting, or an early test strike without final engraving. Whatever the cause, these no mint mark coins are rare anomalies. Since 2001 was one of the final pre-circulation minting years, very few such coins were ever released into public hands. That makes them extremely valuable to collectors, especially if found in extra fine or uncirculated condition. Condition plays a massive role in determining the value of any coin, and that's especially true for rare euro errors. An extra fine condition coin means it still has most of its original shine, fine details are clear, and only minimal signs of wear appear on the higher points, like Queen Beatrix's portrait. The 2001 no mint mark variety is far less common than regular struck coins, and most that surface today come from long-time collectors or coin hoards because of its combination of age, rarity, and condition. This coin has become one of the most sought-after early Dutch euro cents among European numismatists. Market value in dollars. Let's talk about what everyone wants to know: the coin's market value today. The face value of this coin is 20 cents, around $0 and 21 cents, but the collector's market tells a completely different story. Here's a realistic breakdown of what this coin can be worth in 2025. Regular circulated 2001 coin, about 25 cents to $1. No mint mark coin in fine condition, around $5 to $10. No mint mark coin in extra fine condition, between $20 to $45. Uncirculated or graded example, can sell for $60 to $100, depending on certification and demand. Collectors from the US, France, and Germany have paid premium prices on eBay and European auctions for verified, no mint mark, 2001 Netherlands 20 cent coins. So why is the Netherlands 2001 20 euro cent coin so valuable? It comes down to three key factors. It was minted right before the euro officially entered circulation, making it part of the early transition era. The missing mint mark makes it an accidental rarity, and coin errors always attract collectors. Extra fine or uncirculated examples are hard to find, especially since most 2001 coins were used for test circulation or stored before 2002. Put all of this together and you have a coin that's small in size, but big in collectible value. If you think you have a 2001 Netherlands 20 euro cent coin, here are some important steps. Check carefully under magnification for the missing mint mark. The mint mark is normally located near the date. If it's absent, you might have the rare version. Avoid cleaning the coin. Cleaning can ruin the surface and lower its value. Keep it protected. Store it in a coin capsule or plastic holder to preserve the luster. Get it appraised or graded. A verified grading from NGC or PCGS can significantly increase the market value. Track recent sales on eBay, Numista, or European coin auction sites to know the latest price trends. So there you have it, the Netherlands 2001 20 € coin. A golden piece of history that marks the beginning of the Euro age and stands out with its rare, no-mint mark, variety. A coin that most people see as ordinary. Pocket change could actually be worth $20, $50, or even $100 to the right collector today. If you ever come across one in extra fine condition, you might just be holding a hidden treasure from the dawn of the Euro era. Top 3. The Netherlands 1999 20 € coin, especially the rare version with no mint mark, found in extra fine condition. This coin isn't just old, it's one of the first generation Euro coins, and some versions are now worth dozens of dollars in collectors' markets. Let's explore the history, background, rarity, and today's real market value in dollars. To understand the significance of the Netherlands 1999 20 € coin, we have to travel back to a time before the euro was even in people's wallets. The euro was introduced officially in 1999, but only as a virtual currency for banks and electronic transactions. Physical coins and notes didn't enter circulation until January 1, 2002. However, the Netherlands, along with 11 other founding European countries, began minting coins between 1999 and 2001 in preparation for the big switch that makes the 1999 series the first ever euro coins minted by the Netherlands, historically marking the birth of the Euro age. All of these early issues were struck by the Royal Dutch Mint located in Utrecht, one of Europe's oldest mints, established way back in 1567. So, the 1999 Netherlands 20 € isn't just a coin, it's a piece of European history. The design of the Netherlands 1999 20 € coin is both royal and symbolic. On the obverse side, you'll see the portrait of Queen Beatrix of the Netherlands, who ruled from 1980 to 2013. Around her portrait is the legend Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden, meaning Beatrix Queen of the Netherlands. The reverse, back, side, designed by Belgian artist Luc Luix, shows the map of the European continent, with 12 stars symbolizing the founding nations of the European Union, a sign of unity and cooperation. The coin is made from Nordic gold, which isn't real gold but an alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, giving it a warm golden shine. It weighs 5.74 grams, measures 22.25 millimeters in diameter, and has a Spanish flower edge, which gives it a slightly scalloped feel. Even today, the craftsmanship and symbolism of this early euro coin make it highly collectible. Now here's what makes the 1999 Netherlands 20 € coin special: the no mint mark variety. Normally, all Dutch euro coins carry two identifying marks. The mint mark, traditionally a Mercury staff symbol, representing the Royal Dutch Mint; the mint master's mark, identifying the director of the mint during that period. But in some rare 1999 coins, the mint mark is completely missing. This could be due to a die polishing error, a production test strike, or a misalignment in the die engraving process. Such coins are known as minting anomalies, and collectors love them because they're rare, visually distinct, and traceable to a unique production error. Finding a 1999 20 coin without the mint mark, especially in extra fine condition, is a remarkable discovery. The year 1999 holds unique importance in Euro history. It was the first year ever that Euro coins were struck, even though they weren't yet in public circulation. This makes any coin from 1999, especially one with a minting error, more valuable than coins from later years like 2004 or 2007. The Netherlands 1999 coins are particularly desirable because of their limited early mintage and the royal portrait of Queen Beatrix, which changed in later designs after her abdication. So when you combine first-year issue, no mint mark error, and excellent condition, you get a coin that's truly rare. Now let's talk numbers. How much is this coin actually worth in 2025? The face value of the Netherlands 20 € is 20 cents, or about $0 and 21 cents, but its collector's value can be many times higher, depending on condition and rarity. Here's a general market value breakdown. Regular circulated 1999 coin, about 25 cents to $1. No mint mark coin in fine condition, around $10 to $15. No mint mark in extra fine condition typically sells for $25 to $45. Uncirculated or graded mint error example can reach $60 to $100, especially if verified by professional grading companies like NGC or PCGS. Some collectors have even paid over $120 at European auctions for certified early 1999 no mint mark coins. The 1999 no mint mark 20 € coin appeals to collectors for several key reasons. First year issue, it's from the very first batch of euro coins ever produced. Error variety, missing mint marks are rare and collectible. Historical value represents the euro's beginning. tied to Queen Beatrix's reign. Limited surviving examples. Most early euro coins entered circulation and suffered heavy wear, making extra fine specimens rare for those reasons. The coin's demand has steadily increased over the last few years, and experts predict prices could rise further as collectors continue to seek complete error sets. If you think you have a Netherlands 1999 20 € coin, here's what you should do: inspect it carefully with a magnifier. The mint mark is usually found beside the date. If it's missing, you may have the rare variety. Check the condition. Extra fine coins should still show clear hairlines on the Queen's portrait and minimal surface wear. Avoid cleaning the coin. Cleaning removes its original patina and lowers its value. Store it safely. Use a coin capsule or a soft holder to prevent scratches. Consider professional grading services like NGC or PCGS can authenticate your coin, making it more valuable to collectors and buyers. Monitor online marketplaces. Websites like Numista, Katawiki, and eBay often show recent sale prices that reflect current demand. So there you have it, the Netherlands 1999 20 € coin, a small but powerful piece of European history. It was one of the first euro coins ever struck, and with the no mint mark variety, it stands out as a true rarity in the numismatic world. If your coin is in extra fine condition, it could easily be worth $30, $50, or even $100 depending on demand and verification. So the next time you find an old euro cent in your collection, check carefully. That little 1999 coin might just be your hidden gold. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare European coins, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Coin Spot, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. We post weekly videos about rare coins, their history, and their real market value. Thanks for watching, and remember, every coin tells a story, and sometimes that story is worth a fortune.